My biggest win with Excel University was that I could learn out of features that I was not aware of and that is useful for automation, which will save my working time a lot. I'm Chifumi Ito. I'm from Japan and I'm working for a Japan subsidiary of a US company. And currently I have two major roles. One is accounting manager for Japan entity. The other one is RPA, citizen developer for broader accounting organization. While I was working on RPA projects, I realized that the RPA software that we are using is not always good solution for Excel related activities. If I try to let the RPA bot work on Excel activities, it's sometimes very slow. So far, I learned a lot of new things. Power Query and Power Pivot, very powerful tool for me from the automation perspective. I'm sure that I can contribute more for automation for the organization. I can contribute more to my company. Yeah. With Google or YouTube, I could not learn Excel holistically. By learning through Excel University, I got confident with my Excel knowledge. I updated one of my analysis worksheet using Power Query and Power Pivot. And I just need to save downloaded reports in a folder and just refresh the data. Then everything is done by Excel. And the subtraction, calculation, and USD conversion, all these kind of things are all taken care of. Yeah, absolutely. I recommend Excel University, especially to all the people in finance and accounting areas. It's very well structured and it has a lot of exercise that I can work on. I got more confident working on those exercises.